This is a 2007 S550, the base model. So what you're gonna want to do, you gotta have some starter fluid. You're gonna want to pop this off, spray the starter fluid down in there. But I'm gonna show you what it sounds like before you spray the starter fluid on there, so you'll know what you're looking for. Okay, so this is what it would sound like if your fuel pump's out. And it just turns off like that. It'll be just like that. It will not start. But the moment I spray some starter fluid in there, it works. It turns on. Spray it right down in there. Spray a good amount. Put that back. And then you try to start it, it'll turn right on. See? As soon as it doesn't get any fuel, it turns off. But anyways, fuel pump is located passenger side back seat. Right here. Up under this, you're gonna have to remove the seat, obviously. 2 clips on the front side. Them in your front right here. Boom. And boom. I already have the seat out. So you want to push it towards the trunk and then lift up on it. And it's on these clips right here. So once you push it back and then lift up, it'll be able to come off. There's 2 clips, 1 clip over there, 1 over here. Then you're gonna have this plate over the top of it. Arrows are gonna be this way. 2 arrows. This is the arrow you line it up with. Well, it's gonna be lined up like this with this one, right? And you turn it to the left and it'll come out. Then you got 10mm bolts up under here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10mm bolts. But anyways, once you remove that, you want to be careful because this will splash fuel on you, or everywhere. Not everywhere, but just take it out carefully. Then you have your fuel pump right here. You're gonna squeeze. You're gonna squeeze in. Squeeze in, wiggle it out. Okay, so that's where it's clipped at. What I did, I got my little pick here. I just poked it right through this little hole right here, pushed in, and then pulled it out. Then right here, you're gonna want to push on that little green tab. It's a little green tab right there. You're gonna want to push in on it and then pull your hose up. Okay, right here, you see these little clamps right here? 1 and 2. You're gonna want to turn those. That one goes down to the right. That one goes up to the right. That's how you unlock your fuel pump. Then you should be able to pull it. Actually, you want to push those down in there so you have room to clear it. You'll be able to get your fuel pump out, wiggle it up out of there. You want to just put your new fuel pump back in the exact same way. Make sure it pushes down. Should be in there smoothly. Place the clamps. Place the clamps. Get your connections back. There you go. I'm gonna try to dry that out. Unless you like to taste the gas, be careful. I like the smell of it. That's about it. Make sure that little black line coming off the cap here, it goes back on the side into the actual gas. Just goes around off to the side. You just place it in, hang it, hold this at an angle, put it in, place it down smoothly. Also, I like to tighten anything that has multiple bolts like this. I like to tighten it in a star pattern. So I'll go from top, bottom, boom, 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 boom. Then obviously repeat the process Alright, hopefully this bitch starts. I'm gonna prime it. Turn the key a couple of times. Yes, sir. Staying on. Try to push that gas. Ooh. 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 Stop playing. Stop playing with me, man. Put all that back. Oh, to remove it, you have to, there's a clip right here holding it down. You have to put that back over it. GG, man. Y'all go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, show love, live a best life, be happy as much as you can. Even when you're not, try to be happy. It's all love.